Hey everyone, I'm gonna harvest this gulay. I'm just going to take the stem. And also this is good for the sitaw. You mix with sitaw. And you only have to use the soft part, the top stem, because if you go farther from the stem is the no I mean if you go farther on the stem lower, it's kind of hard, the stem, to chew. So you just have to get the tops. So we need to eat healthy. That's why we can avoid to get sick. If you plant something, you will gain something. And this I did not even use fertilizer on these plants. I mean fertilizer from the store. I only use all the produce peel that I let it sit for a couple of days to use it to water them. It's like a natural fertilizer. It's gonna be a lot. So to all Ilonggos there, you can relate to this food that I'm going to cook. But we can put anything when we cook the mungo, any kind of vegetables besides mungo. But this one, I like the taste of this one better. And I think you can even use these two to the boiled, to the beef, to the nilagang baka. I'm not gonna get a lot for now. I think this is good enough for now. So I will save some of this later. And my friends, look at this, what I got. I got ampalaya. And I think this is patola. I mixed with patola and sitaw. I only planted them in a pot. So this is, I think this is the I'm not sure if sitaw or patani, but they all grown in. This is patola. And also in another pot I have sunflower. My sunflower is it's gonna go high. And I have kalabasa. I think this is red sitaw. And I have kamote. And this is patola. I'm not sure this one is, I did not put label when I put it on the ground. So this is my sitaw in another one, kind of vegetables. And I found this today. I saw this today. I'm not sure if I'm going to get it or just let it there. Let it stay. So I might take it. So that's my gulay here. I only put them in a pot. It's not like a couple years ago that I put it on the ground. But this time I just put them in a pot. Okay. Bye everyone. Hope in couple of weeks I will see what kind of vegetables gonna come out from this vine. Alright, bye bye. God bless everyone. Bye.